Hi, and welcome back to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel. Today we are going to discuss the radar on ships, how it works and what information it provides. Ship radar is one of the most important tools for navigation, helping vessels detect obstacles, track moving objects, and even predict weather conditions. It acts as the eyes of the ship, ensuring safe passage even in poor visibility, such as heavy fog or nighttime conditions. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down step by step. The basics: sending out radio waves. A ship's radar system works by sending out radio waves, which are a type of electromagnetic wave. These waves are emitted from a rotating antenna, which continuously scans the surrounding area. Why radio waves? They can travel long distances, bounce off objects, and return to the radar system without being affected by the dark, fog, or rain, although heavy weather can cause some interference. The waves spread out in a cone shape as they travel, covering a wide area around the ship. When these radio waves hit an object, such as another ship, an island, a buoy, or even a storm cloud, they bounce back toward the ship. This is known as the echo principle, and it's similar to how bats use echolocation to detect objects in the dark. The radar system measures the time it takes for the waves to return. Since radio waves move at the speed of light, about 186,000 miles per second, even objects miles away can be detected almost instantly. One. Calculating distance and position. Once the radar receives the bounced-back signal, or echo, it processes the information to determine how far away the object is. This is calculated using the time it took for the waves to return. The longer it takes, the farther away the object is. What direction the object is in. Since the antenna rotates, it knows the exact angle from which the wave returned. The radar then displays a blip on the radar screen, showing the object's position relative to the ship. The captain and crew can then interpret the data to avoid collisions and plan their course. Radar isn't just for spotting objects, it can also track moving targets. By continuously sending and receiving signals, the system can determine if an object is getting closer or moving away, how fast it's moving, its direction of travel. This is critical for collision avoidance, especially in busy shipping lanes where multiple ships are moving in different directions. If two ships are on a potential collision course, radar systems can calculate their closest point of approach, CPA, and time to closest point of approach, TCPA, to warn the crew. Many modern radar systems also have automatic tracking to alert crews if a nearby vessel is on a dangerous trajectory. Radar isn't just used for spotting ships, it can also identify weather conditions and potential hazards. By detecting rain, moisture, and cloud formations, radar helps ships anticipate storms and change course if necessary. Darker, denser radar returns indicate heavier rain or storm activity. This allows ships to adjust their route and avoid rough weather. Radar can also help ships spot icebergs, floating debris, and shallow areas that could damage the vessel. This is especially crucial in icy waters, like the North Atlantic, where the Titanic tragedy occurred. Modern radars can even detect small wooden boats or buoys, helping captains avoid obstacles that might not be visible in the dark. Technology has come a long way since the early days of maritime radar. Today's radar systems use Doppler radar. This measures speed and direction more accurately by detecting changes in frequency as objects move. ARPA. This system automatically tracks objects and provides data like speed, course, and collision warnings. AIS. Many modern ships combine radar with AIS, which uses GPS and radio signals to provide even more precise tracking of vessels. Some newer ships even have solid-state radar, which provides better resolution and less interference from waves and rain. Radar is one of the most crucial navigation tools for a ship. Here's why: it prevents collisions, especially useful in foggy conditions or at night. It helps navigate busy waters, ensures ships can safely move through crowded ports or channels. It detects bad weather, allows ships to avoid storms and high waves. It ensures safe docking, helps pilots maneuver into ports, even in poor visibility. So, to summarize, ship radar is like a superpower for captains, allowing them to see beyond what their eyes can detect. Without it, navigating open waters would be much riskier, especially in bad weather or busy shipping routes. So, the next time you see a massive cruise ship smoothly making its way through thick fog, you'll know the high-tech radar system is working hard to keep everyone safe. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more about life at sea.